Good morning, guys. How are you doing? Wait, that did not feel right. Let's just rewind. What is up, people out there? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe. And गुड मॉर्निंग का तो नहीं है टाइम, सुबह दोपहर के 1:30 बज रहे हैं, बट मेरी मॉर्निंग अभी हुई है. सो गुड मॉर्निंग एंड सो आई एम फाइनली बैक विद द व्लॉग. मुझे पता है बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया है. लास्ट व्लॉग शायद मेरे को याद भी नहीं मैं लास्ट व्लॉग कब बनाया था. बट येस, नाउ वी आर बैक एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग आउट. सो बट पहले थोड़ा समझ रहे हो, खाना सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. पहले थोड़ी पेट पूजा करते हैं, देन लेट्स सी कहाँ जाना है. सी यू इन अ बिट. Too much sugar, I know. But yeah, I'm kind of a sweet tooth. Wait, this calls for a slow motion. तो अब मैं निकल रहा हूँ. आज अभी का प्लान कुछ ऐसा है कि एक कैफ़े है, सुप्को कैफ़े. बाकी डिटेल्स मैं वहाँ जाके दूँगा. वहाँ पे मैं लास्ट टाइम गया था तो मेरे को काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग आर्किटेक्चर हॉल लगा था. तो अभी का प्लान इनिशियल तो वही है कि मैं सुप्को कैफ़े जा रहा हूँ एंड जो आसपास का एरिया है वो एक्सप्लोर करूँगा. वो क्या एरिया है वो मैं उस टाइम ही बताऊँगा. अभी 4 बज रहे हैं. आई नो बहुत लेट हो गया है, बट यू गाइस तो नो कितना टाइम पंक्चुअल हूँ मैं. बाय द वे, यू गाइस हैवंट मेट माय न्यू राइड. वेयर इज माय न्यू राइड? सो यप, दिस इज माय न्यू राइड और इसी से हम जाएंगे सुप्को कैफे. सो आई विल मीट यू गाइस देयर. बाय बाय. So right now I am entering the lane for Suppco Cafe. It is at a very, kind of secluded and it's a very famous cafe, but it's at a very hidden kind of location. And as usual, it's booked, it's full, and we'll have to wait. As usual, a lot of waiting here. So that's Subco. And just as last time, I will have to wait again. A bit of change in plan. I will just roam around this street a bit before I get hit by an auto. Yeah, so I'll roam around the street a bit and get some good photos because it's a very interesting place. You will see in the B-roll and the photos which will be coming right about now. For people who haven't figured it out yet, I am in Mumbai. I am roaming on the streets of Bandra West, and this is near Subco Cafe, and it's a very, Goan and Europe kind of streets. You can see narrow streets just leading into alleys and all that. Just look at this. Right now I feel I'm in a scene from Tamasha when they're in Corsica and just going around the streets and alleys. By the way, मेरे बालों की जो वाट लगी ना हेलमेट में. Anyway, so सुक्को का प्लान अभी थोड़ा डिले हो गया है क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है. So I'll just continue roaming around these streets, getting some photos, getting some good B-rolls. I've got some good shots. I'll go for some more. By the way, good light coming here on my face. Yeah. Anyway, and we have some interesting, graffiti arts also. Something like this. The one which you saw in the B-roll. There's a whole wall full of Messi graffiti commemorating or appreciating Messi. So that's really cool. And एक और यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी graffiti है जो last time मैंने देखी थी. I still have to find it. And मैं जब वहाँ पहुँचूँगा, then I will let you know. Till then, continue with the B-roll of Bandra West. So I talked the top two few of the locals here, और ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा ही interesting जगह है. Some of these houses which you are seeing in the background, not actually right now, which you will see in the background right now are over 100-200 years old, and this is an area of Bandra which I have never seen in my life. I have been in Mumbai only for a bit, but I have been to a few places. I have been to Bandra before, but ये वाला part is still unexplored for me. It was a very interesting place. I still have to find the Irfan Khan graffiti which I was talking about. मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिली है वो. I think I'll have to take the help of some local to find it. And I still have to try for Subco Cafe because it's Sunday and as usual it's jam packed. So sadly I couldn't find the graffiti. I will look for it once again when I'm going home. Right now I'm again trying for Subco. I have to have that coffee. So let's see how long I have to wait. आप लोगों ने वो कहावत सुनी है कि जब जो किस्मत में होता है उसी टाइम मिलता है. So sadly I couldn't get into Subco Cafe and I got in but I was not allowed to shoot in there because there was a lot of rush and it was jam packed as I showed you in the previous shots. Subco Cafe के नाम पे मुझे सिर्फ ये मिला. At least I had that coffee, but worry not. I have spoken to them and they have told कि next week anywhere in the weekday I can go and shoot. So promise एक पूरा vlog Subco Cafe पे होगा. Okay, so life update time. Let me set this down. हाँ, तो लाइफ अपडेट कुछ ऐसा है कि आई मूव टू मुंबई इन नवंबर ऑफ 2020. एज आई वॉज टेलिंग यू इन द प्रीवियस व्लॉग्स आई हैड टू मूव टू मुंबई बिकॉज माई होल वर्क इज़ हियर, my whole industry lies here and that is the reason I moved here. Right now I am working with a fitness company. It's a fitness tech app. I can't reveal the name as we are yet to launch. And apart from that I have been exploring the city a bit and थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे ही घूम रहा था और still trying to figure out what I have to do eventually. But as of now I am in Mumbai, I am working. And yes, यही था लाइफ अपडेट. सो फॉर नाउ मुंबई इज़ माई होम एंड यही है लाइफ अपडेट. बट अ प्रॉमिस नेक्स्ट व्लॉग और वन ऑफ द व्लॉग्स इन द कमिंग वीक्स वुड बी ऑन Subco Cafe, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. बहुत वेट कराया. डू लेट मी नो how you like this vlog. If you liked it, do like and share with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. I promise I will be more consistent this time. And yeah, that's it for this one. Bye bye. Oh wait, photos of the Bandra or Bandra West or near Subco Cafe coming up right now. Now bye bye.